Welcome back. We really need your support and motivation to keep this going. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Let's begin. Question 201. Northern Trail Outfitters, NTO, has deployed my domain. The Chief Marketing Officer wants to make sure that all of the Salesforce users log in using the branded login URL. There needs to be a grace period for the user's bookmarks to be updated. How should the administrator configure the policies in my domain settings? A. Set the login policy to require login from https://ento.my.salesforce.com. B. Set the redirect policy to do not redirect. C. Set the redirect policy to redirect with a warning to the same page within the domain. D. Set the login policy to prevent login from https://login.salesforce.com. Correct answer is option B. Question 202. Ursa Major Solar has service level agreements, SLA, that are routed to support queues. Cases that meet the 24-hour SLA need to be automatically reassigned to the next tier queue. Which feature should be used to fulfill this requirement? A. Einstein case routing. B. Auto-response rule. C. Case assignment rule. D. Case escalation rule. Correct answer is option D. Question 203. CloudKicks wants to track shoe designs by products. Shoe designs should be unable to be deleted, and there can be multiple designs for one product across various stages. Which two steps should the administrator configure to meet this requirement? Choose two answers. A. Add a custom master detail field for shoe designs on the product object. B. Create a custom object for shoe designs. C. Use the standard object for designs. D. Configure a custom lookup field for shoe designs on the product object. Correct answer is option B. C. Question 204. Sales reps at Ursa Major Solar are having difficulty managing deals. The leadership team has asked administrator to help sales reps prioritize and close more deals. The administrator configure to help with these issues? A. Einstein activity capture. B. Einstein opportunity scoring. C. Einstein search personalization. Einstein lead scoring. Correct answer is option B. Question 205. Northern Trail Outfitters has hired interns to enter leads into Salesforce and has requested a way to identify these new records from existing leads. What approach should an administrator take to meet this requirement? A. Create a separate lead Lightning app. B. Define a record type and assign it to the interns. C. Set up web to lead for the interns' use. D. Update the active lead assignment rules. Correct answer is option B. Question 206. Ursa Major Solar has a path on case. The company wants to require its users to follow the status values as they are on the path. Agents should be prohibited from reverting the case back to a previous status. Which feature should an administrator use to fulfill this request? A. Predefined field values. B. Global value pick lists. C. Dependent pick lists. D. Validation rules. Correct answer is option D. Question 207. Administrator at Northern Trail Outfitters is unable to add a new user in Salesforce. What could cause this issue? A. The username is already in use in another organization. B. The username is restricted to a domain specific to my domain. C. The email address used for the username has a contact record. D. The email used for the username is not a corporate email address. Correct answer is option A. Question 208. An administrator at Universal Containers has been asked to prevent users from accessing Salesforce from outside of their network. What are two considerations for this configuration? Choose two answers. A. IP address restrictions are set on the profile or globally for the org. B. Assign single sign-on to a permission set to allow users to log in when outside the network. C. Enforce login IP ranges on every request must be selected to enforce IP restrictions. D. Restrict U2F security keys on the user's profile to enforce login hours. Correct answer is option A. C. Question 209. An administrator at Northern Trail Outfitters is creating a validation rule. Which two functions should the administrator use when creating a validation rule? Choose two answers. A. Formula return type. B. Error condition formula. C. Error message location. D. Rule active date. Correct answer is option B. C. Question 210. An administrator is planning to use Data Loader to mass import new records to a custom object from a new API. What will the administrator need to do to use the Data Loader? A. Add a permission set that allows them to import data. B. Append their security token at the end of their password to login. C. Use the data import tool to mass import custom object records. D. Reset their password and their security token. Correct answer is option D. Question 211. Which setting on a profile makes a tab hidden in the All App Launcher or viable in RD app, but still allows a user to view records that would normally be found under this tab? A. Object permissions. B. App permissions. C. Pig-wide defaults. D. Tab settings. Correct answer is option D. Question 212. The administrator for A Computing is working with a user who is having trouble logging into Salesforce. What should the administrator do to identify why the user is unable to log in? A. Review the login history for the user. B. Check the attempted logins by running the setup audit trail. C. Pull the password history to ensure the password policy was followed. D. Reset the security token for the profile. Correct answer is option A. Question 213. A user at Northern Trail Outfitters is having trouble logging into Salesforce. The user's login history shows that this person has attempted to log in multiple times and has been locked out of the organization. Which two ways should the administrator help the user log into Salesforce? A. Log in as the user to unlock the user and reset the password. B. Reset the password policies to allow the user to log in. C. Reset password on the user's record detail page. D. Use the unlock button on the user's record detail page. Correct answer is option C. D. Question 214. A sales user is trying to manage campaign members for an upcoming networking event. The user can view the campaign, but add new campaign members or update member statuses. How can an administrator troubleshoot this problem? A. Create a permission set to allow the user to edit campaign members. B. Provide the user access to both leads and contacts to edit all members. C. Make sure the marketing user checkbox is checked on the user record page. D. Run a campaign report and update any member information via data loader. Correct answer is option C. Question 215. Ursa Major Solar provides a 1-year warranty on all of the panels it installs. Installation details, along with the warranty information, are captured on a custom object called installation. The installation record is created by the installer from the mobile app. Customers soon receive a longer warranty as a way of increasing customer satisfaction when an installation gets delayed or has issues. How should the administrator configure Salesforce to capture the expiration date of the warranty? A. Use a formula as the default value of the warranty expiration date field. B. Create a formula field to display year from the warranty purchased. C. Add a validation rule to ensure the expiration date field is populated. D. Include the warranty expiration date field on the mobile page layout. Correct answer is option B. Question 216. The IT manager at Universal Containers is doing an audit of the system's security. Should the administrator provide a summary of the org's security health? A. Change the organization-wide default to private to restrict visibility. B. Turn on event monitoring to track user events. C. Download the last 6 months of user login data. D. Run a health check to identify vulnerabilities. Correct answer is option D. Question 217. CloudKix is introducing a new shoe model and wants to advertise on TV, radio, print, and social under the banner of a called New Runners. In addition, total statistics for this marketing effort need to be aggregated and visible. Which feature should the administrator use to implement this functionality? A. Junction object. B. Parent campaign field. C. Lookup relationship. D. Master detail relationship. Correct answer is option D. Question 218. Computing has added a new custom text field called Market Segment on the lead object. When a lead is converted, the new field is not getting copied to the account record. What should the administrator do to ensure the market segment field from a lead is copied to the converted account record in routine? A. Ensure the market segment field on the lead is mapped to right field on account. B. Ensure account has a field that has the exact same name as the new lead field. C. Write a validation rule to ensure the account has a value in that field. D. Write a record-triggered flow to copy the custom field from lead to account. Correct answer is option D. Question 219. Sales managers would like to know what could be implemented to surface important values based on the stage of the opportunity. Which tool should an administrator use to meet this requirement? A. Opportunity processes. B. Dynamic forms. C. Path key fields. D. Workflow rules. Correct answer is option C. Question 220. Support reps at CloudKicks, CK, are reporting that when they try to close a case, the closed option in the case status pick list is missing. CK has asked the administrator to find a solution. Why are the support reps unable to see the closed option in the specified pick list? A. The case record type is missing closed as a pick list value. B. The close case page layout must be used to close a case. C. The show closed status's Incase status field checkbox is set to the default. D. The support process being used omits closed as a status choice. Correct answer is option A. Question 221. What will happen to the chatter post in this situation? A. The pending chatter post will be cancelled. B. The pending chatter post will be sent on the 10th of the month. C. The pending chatter post will be paused. D. The pending chatter post will be sent in 30 days. Correct answer is option D. Stay tuned for many more videos like this. If you like this effort, please subscribe this channel and give a thumbs up.